Alright, so we were at the pool last week and doing some prep to get ready to open the pool. And in this corner on our shelf here, there was a baby bird nest with some eggs in it. And I moved the nest into this little pot here. And it was still eggs last week. But this week, it is little tiny baby birds. So they hatched last week. You can see what they look like. And I made sure that we didn't want to touch the baby birds. Mama birds are not like that. You guys see them?
I can't see.
Okay, back up.
Oh, I think they're cute.
They are cute, aren't they, guys?
Baby chicks.
Yeah, they're baby chicks. So they are very, very, very tiny. Mama bird flew away when we got near. She'll probably be back here soon.
I see their little beaks.
Yeah.
And their little eyes. Oh, it's
Yeah.
cute.
They're just fresh hatchlings.
They haven't opened their eyes.
No, they don't have open eyes. Let's back up and let me see if we can get a little bit of sunshine on them, honey. There we go. We can see them better with when the sun gets on them. Yeah, they're pretty cool. Look at those baby birds. So we don't want to make Mama too mad, so we're going to put them back in here. They'll be ready to eat here soon. So pretty cool, guys, huh? What do you think? Mama bird's, she's over here at the pool somewhere?
Yeah, she's right there on the fence.
Yeah, she's watching us. We don't want to make Mama bird too angry, right, Macy?
Can I put my feet back in there?
Yeah. All right. So that's our baby bird story for today.